What if your AI agents had roles, goals, and backstories, and they could actually collaborate, delegate, and make autonomous decisions as a team? That's CrewAI. 48,000 GitHub stars, over 100,000 certified developers, and benchmarks showing it runs multi-agent workflows 2 to 3 times faster than the competition. This is the most popular multi-agent framework in the entire Python ecosystem right now. CrewAI is a lean, lightning-fast Python framework for orchestrating multi-agent AI systems. It was built entirely from scratch, completely independent of LangChain, and it takes a fundamentally different approach to how agents work together. Instead of chaining individual tool calls, CrewAI models agent collaboration the way human teams actually function. Each agent has a defined role, specific goals, a backstory that shapes its decision-making, and access to tools. Agents are grouped into crews that coordinate through defined processes: sequential, hierarchical with a manager agent, or fully autonomous. The framework supports any LLM provider: OpenAI, Anthropic, Ollama for local models, and it's MIT licensed, so you can use it anywhere. The number that matters: over 100,000 developers have completed CrewAI certification through deeplearning.ai, making it one of the most widely adopted agent frameworks in production today. The core concept in CrewAI is the crew, a team of agents working together on a shared objective. Each agent in a crew has genuine autonomy. They don't just execute predefined steps, they make real decisions about how to approach tasks, when to delegate to other agents, and how to handle unexpected situations. A crew defines which agents participate, what tasks need to be completed, and what process governs execution. In sequential mode, tasks run in order, with each task building on the previous result. In hierarchical mode, a manager agent coordinates planning and dynamically delegates work to specialist agents. In autonomous mode, agents independently determine their own execution strategy. This isn't prompt chaining, it's actual multi-agent collaboration where the agents negotiate their approach based on their defined expertise and the current state of the work. Let's look at the repo. 48,000 stars and 6,500 forks put CrewAI in the top tier of AI open source projects. The codebase is clean Python with YAML-based configuration for agents and tasks. The README is well-structured with quick start examples, architecture diagrams, and links to comprehensive docs. There's an active examples repository with working implementations for common use cases: landing page generators, trip planners, stock analyzers. The community is substantial, with a dedicated forum, and IBM, deeplearning.ai, and multiple enterprise partners have published tutorials and courses. This is a project with real institutional backing, not just GitHub hype. Here's what a CrewAI setup actually looks like. You define agents with a role, goal, and backstory. The backstory matters. It shapes how the agent interprets ambiguous instructions and makes judgment calls. Each agent gets tools and an LLM assignment. Tasks specify the work, a description, expected output format, and which agent handles it. Tasks can reference other tasks as context, creating dependency chains. The crew ties it all together: agents, tasks, and process mode. Calling kickoff with input variables starts execution. The output is structured. You get the final result, token usage, and execution metadata. For YAML-based configuration, the CLI scaffolds the entire project structure with agents.yaml, tasks.yaml, and a crew definition file. Crews handle autonomous collaboration, but production systems need more control. That's where flows come in. Flows are CrewAI's event-driven workflow engine. They provide granular control over execution paths, state management, and conditional routing. You build flows with Python decorators. The @start decorator marks entry points. @listen triggers steps when specific events complete. @router enables conditional branching based on results. You can combine conditions with or and operators for complex orchestration logic. State is managed through pydantic models, giving you type safety and validation at every step. The key insight is that flows and crews are complementary. A flow can orchestrate multiple crews, routing between them based on results, while each crew maintains its own internal autonomous collaboration. This separation between orchestration logic and agent autonomy is what makes CrewAI production ready. CrewAI implements a sophisticated memory system that most agent frameworks skip entirely. Short-term memory tracks the current task context, what the agent has learned during this specific execution. Long-term memory persists across runs, allowing agents to learn from previous executions and improve over time. Entity memory tracks important information about people, organizations, and concepts encountered during work. All three memory types are configurable with retention policies. The practical impact is significant. Agents don't start from zero every time. A researcher agent that's previously found reliable sources remembers them. A writer agent that's received feedback incorporates those lessons into future work. Combined with CrewAI's built-in training capabilities, both automated and human in the loop, agents genuinely improve with use. The CrewAI CLI handles project creation, execution, and dependency management. CrewAI Create. Crew scaffolds a complete project with agent and task YAML configs, a crew definition, tools directory, and environment file. CrewAI Run executes the crew locally. The YAML configuration is where most of the design work happens. You define agent personalities, task descriptions with template variables, expected outputs, and tool assignments without touching Python code. For teams, this means non-developers can design agent workflows by editing YAML while engineers handle the infrastructure. CrewAI also ships with hundreds of built-in tools: web search, file operations, code execution, all accessible through the tool's extra install. CrewAI's open source core runs anywhere Python runs: your laptop, a server, a container. But for production at scale, the CrewAI AMP suite provides a crew control plane with cloud-based management, real-time tracing and observability for every agent decision, and deployment infrastructure including VPC options for data-sensitive environments. The pricing starts with a free tier at 50 executions per month, professional at $25 per month, and enterprise tiers for high-volume deployments. The real-time tracing is worth highlighting. It logs every step performed by every agent, from task interpretation through tool calls to validation and final output. For debugging complex multi-agent systems where failures can be subtle, distributed, and difficult to reproduce, this level of granular observability across every agent interaction is absolutely essential for maintaining production reliability. If you need multiple AI agents collaborating on complex tasks, research and writing, analysis and reporting, planning and execution, CrewAI's role-based crew model is the most intuitive abstraction available. If you need production-grade orchestration with conditional routing, state management, and error handling, Flows give you that without leaving the CrewAI ecosystem. If you're evaluating multi-agent frameworks, CrewAI's 2 to 3 times speed advantage and 48,000 star community give it the strongest combination of performance and adoption. And if you're a team where non-technical stakeholders need to design agent workflows, the YAML configuration layer makes that practical. Python 3.1 or higher required, MIT licensed, and backed by a growing enterprise ecosystem with real production deployments across multiple industries. That's CrewAI, the multi-agent orchestration framework where AI agents genuinely collaborate as a team with real autonomy and defined expertise. All links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more agent framework deep dives.